Hi, I'm your Everyday Joe. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today, we're just going to be doing a 5-month update for the AeroGarden Harvest. So today we're just going to be talking about how much harvest we actually got and if it was worth the price. Okay, so now it's been roughly about 5 months, a little bit over 5.5 months that I've been using this AeroGarden Harvest. I've harvested this completely every 4 weeks or so, 4 or 5 weeks for the entire period. Every few weeks I took some videos. You can see the growth of the harvest. As you can see in the video clips over the past 5-month period. But the mint still going strong. It was slow in starting. In the beginning, took probably about 10 to 12 weeks to start really growing. But right now, you can't stop it. I've got to trim this every few weeks or so. Now, the harvest that I got from this, there was way too much for me to use all at once. So what I did was I placed it in a nice warm place, like the oven. I set the oven to its lowest setting, which mine was, I believe, 170. Cracked the door open a little bit and let it just cook for about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, so it dried out. So as you can see, the leaves kind of got real brittle, so you can just break it all up. And I put it into a container. Use it as an Italian seasoning or a dry seasoning, dry herbs for seasoning meats, vegetables, or any kind of meal. But overall, I think 5 months of harvesting is fantastic. So now in the 5th month, you can see that the Thai basil, the Genovese basil, pretty much done growth. It's been a week or two, a couple of weeks, it hasn't grown. The mint is still kind of growing wildly here. Thyme kind of stopped. You know, that was pretty much a one-hit wonder. The parsley, the curly parsley here seems to be growing, but you don't really get the nice solid bunch here. The basil we did pretty well initially. Now I did buy a couple other sets of custom pods. Now these custom herb kits here, you can go on their website and just create them. They usually have pretty good prices. I think these were, I think $17 for a batch, which obviously if you get this kind of harvest out of it, it's definitely worth it. Usually a little packet of basil, about two ounces or so, is about $4 or $5. So $17 and you get harvest for 5 months. You know, it's definitely worth it. You can create your own styles. I mean, there's everything from chamomile to chives, cilantro, parsley, you know, lavender, all kinds of different basils, savory, tarragon, thyme. You know, I mean, if you go to the AeroGarden.com website, you'll see some of the different selections that they have. If you have an Amazon account, you can also buy them from Amazon. I'm not sure if you can get the customized versions from Amazon, but I know that if you have an Amazon account and you go to your AeroGarden.com website, you can purchase using your Amazon account. That's how I bought this. And they ship relatively quickly. If they're coming from the Amazon, obviously if you have Prime, you know, 3 or 4 days, I think 5 at the most now, depending on the situation with the coronavirus. You know, it may take a little longer. Overall, I'm very, very happy with this AeroGarden Harvest and with the amount of the volume that I got from it. So I'm very, very satisfied with this. If you guys have an AeroGarden or something similar, let me know in the comments below. Let me know which ones you use and what kind of herbs you're growing, or if you're growing vegetables or lettuce or anything like that. If you like watching these kind of videos, I'll put some other videos here in the playlist on the side here. Go ahead and click the globe here to subscribe if you haven't. Give me some thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think of these kind of videos, and if you enjoyed my take on it, and also what you guys have done with it. So again, you know, thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time to watch us and spend some time on the channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Thanks.